Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the environment. Install Docker and pick a MySQL image tag like MySQL 8.0 so you get predictable behavior. Once done, create a project folder and open an editor to add Docker Compose. YML, this centralizes ports, volumes, and environment variables. Make sure to set MySQL root password and optionally MySQL database and MySQL user for initial schema. You do this to automate container startup and to keep credentials and persistent volumes defined in one place for reproducible deployments. Now you implement the Docker Compose configuration. Define a MySQL service with image, ports mapping 3306, 3306, and a named volume mounted to /var/lib/MySQL so data persists. Then add environment variables for MySQL root password and optionally a user and database. This seeds the initial state. Bring up the stack with Docker Compose upd and follow logs with Docker Compose logs fMySQL to watch initialization and schema creation. Make sure to wait until the server reports finally connect. From the host run MySQL H127, 0, 0, 1P3306 U root P or open your GUI and point to that host and port. If you prefer internal access, run docker execut container name MySQL uroot P to connect directly. Once connected, confirm databases and permissions. If something fails, check container logs, ensure the named volume has correct permissions, verify environment variables for typos, and confirm your firewall or Docker network settings are not blocking port 3306. This single check often resolves connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.